Assalamu alaikum viewers. So today we are going to solve Feb March 2018 paper 1 to AS Physics question 36. So let's begin. A potential divider circuit is constructed with one variable resistor X and one fixed resistor Y as shown. The potential difference across resistor X is Vx and the potential difference across resistor Y is Vy. As the resistance of X is increased, what will happen to Vx and Vy? Okay, so we are provided with a potential divider, which means that two resistors are connected in series, from which one is a variable resistor and other is a fixed resistor. So now they have increased the the resistance of this. Okay, they've increased the resistance of X, and now we have to tell the effect of this on the value of Vx and Vy. So I will explain you this question with the help of an example. Okay. Now imagine that the resistance of this is initially 5 ohm and of this is initially 6 ohm. Okay. Yeah. No, 7 ohm actually. And this is a 6-volt battery. This means that the EMF provided by the battery is 6 volts. So now we have to calculate the potential difference across the resistor X and resistor Y. So now what is the way to calculate the value of Vx? So Vx will equal to resistance of X, which is 5, upon the sum of the resistance of X and Y, which would be 12, into the EMF, which is 6. Okay. So yeah, this one would be 2. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. And this one would be 1. So 5 upon 2, which is equals to 2.5, right? So the value of Vx is 2.5 when the resistance is 5 ohm. Okay, and now let's calculate the value of Vy when the resistance of Vx is 5 ohm. So you would use the same method. Vi is equals to 7 upon 12 into 6. So this would give you 7 upon 2, just 3.5, right? So now this is 2, so this would be 3.5. Now we would change the resistance of the X and let's check what's the effect. So now I would keep the resistance of X as, have to increase it, right? So what we would do, let me rub this so that I could get some space, but I would not rub those. As Y is a fixed resistor, so the S resistance will remain constant, but we could change the resistance of a variable resistor. So yeah, now for Vy, the resistance is not 5 ohm. It's actually, what do you say? Okay, so we have to increase it, right? So it would be, let's say that it is 11. Okay, now I've increased it by 6 and it's 11. Now let's find the value of Vx. So the value of Vx would be 11 upon 18 into 6. So this is 3 ZAR and this is 1 ZAR. So 11 upon 3 is the value of Vx when the resistance of X is 11 ohm. Yes. So the value of 11 upon 3 is equals to actually 3.6. So as you can see that the value of Vx has increased from 2.5 to 3.6. Now let's check for Vy. It's obvious that it would decrease because total would be always constant to 6 volt. So I guess it would decrease. Now let's check for your convenience. 7 upon 18 into 6, which would be equals to 7 upon 3, and the value for that is 2.33. Now you can see that it has decreased from 3 to 2.33. So option C would be the correct answer, as it says that the Vx would increase. Yes, it has increased from 2.5 to 3.6. And it says that the Vy falls, which means that it has falls because from 3 to 2.6. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this is very clear to you. And still, if you have any doubt, any confusion, you may ask in the comment section below.